Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of chemistry. And today we will be solving the concept sheets of a very interesting chapter, which is elements, compounds, and mixtures. Right? Elements, compounds, and mixtures. Now, children, we all know elements are those, they are the purest form, containing atoms of only single type. Compounds are made up of elements by mixing two or more elements in a fixed ratio, and mixtures may comprise of compounds mixed together, which can be separated out, which can be physically separated out. Right? In compounds you cannot separate them. So let us do this interesting exercise. Now see the first one. Write the letters of the correct vocabulary in terms of on the line. Words may be used. Now first is central region of the atom. What is at the center of the atom? You can see these choices are there. Right? We all know at the center of the atom there is a nucleus. So the first one has to be G. So G is the nucleus, and so first one. Atom that has same number of protons but different number of neutrons. Proton is same and neutron is different. Yes, what are those called? These are called same number of proton but different number of neutron. Yes, what it is called? It is called a metalloid, right? It is called a metalloid. A particle of an atom with the least mass, सबसे हल्का, proton, neutron and electron में, it is the electron. Electron has the least weight, H. So here you are going to write H. Charged atom that forms when the number of electrons and protons are not equal. Okay. What is that charged element called? And number of electron protons are not equal. Right? I don't think uh, number of proton are not equal. I think it is that forms when number of electron and protons are not equal. It has to be ions. Actually, this has to be ions. The choice is not there. So you can write ion here. The sum of protons is in the nucleus of an atom. What it is called? The sum of protons in the nucleus of an atom. It is called, sum of proton is nothing but equal to sum of electrons. So it is called uh, atomic number. Substance that dissolves into another substance. Yeah, substance that dissolved, it is the solute. So you just write the answers here, and lots of questions, lots of exercises are there. Like let us see the last two types of mixtures that had large particle that can settle out. The charged particle is called sediment, right? That mixture is called sediment. Okay. The type of mixture that has particles that are not heavy enough, it is called basically solution, right? It is homogeneous, you can call it is homogeneous, in which the two and जिसमें settle out हो सकते हैं. This is heterogeneous also. Okay. Okay, now we move to this. Classify each as element, compound and mixtures. Now diamond has to be an element, right? Diamond has to be an element. Now water is a compound. Water is a compound. Okay. Then dry ice is again a compound, sugar is a compound, alcohol is a compound, baking soda, right? Now milk is a compound, you cannot separate anything out. Pail of a garage is a mixture, lot of things are there which we can physically take it off. So use your brain here. Now see here, there are five structures, A B C D E. There are five structures in which there is one pure element. The pure one is this, pure element is C. Mixture of two elements, two types of un two types of uncombined atoms are present. So this is a mixture here. This is mixture यहाँ is E. See, because two type compound में they would be joined. Pure compound only one type, that comes to be B here, that is B. Mixture of two compounds are of two types, right? Two types is A. See, there is in A there is two white dots and one black dot, and two black dot and one white dot also. So this is A. And the last one, mixture of a compound and an element, is the remaining one, D. See, there are single dot, two single dots and two black and white dot. Okay, so this is how we need to do this exercise, right? There are some points about elements, compounds and mixtures which you should try to do also. These are very a pure substance containing only one kind of atoms, right? One kind of atoms is a pure substance. Two or more kind of atoms compound contains, right? And mixture, two or more kinds of elements or compounds not chemically combined, right? So it's a very simple one. Please try this. I stop here. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it, and until we meet again, it's a goodbye.